Welcome to the show. It's time for fun. They told me there's something in the world called Puppetology. I wouldn't know anything about that, but I just know I'm here to do my thing for you. All right. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I went back to the place where I went, I was there once again. And you can come there too, my friend. It's the living end. Yeah. When I went back to the place where I went, there's a place where money was not spent, and I knew what I had to do, and I enjoyed doing it all the day. Well, I did a little this and I did a little that. I had some tires and they never got flat. I sing my song and I'm talking through my hat, and I didn't wear a hat tilted. Well, until next time. Alright, thank you. We'll see what they got up here next. Hey, here I am again. Glad to be here. I'm a duck. I run amok. I have a lot of good luck. I'm quacking all the time. I'm even quacking in rhyme. I'm a chicken. That's what I am. I'm kind of a goofy ham. I always overact, because that is a fact. And I say quack, quack, and I say cluck, cluck. Sometimes chickens have all the luck. Sometimes I wish I was a duck, but I never want to be a chicken. Oh, chickens are strange to me. Ducks are not part of my family tree. Quack, 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 and double quack. That was crazy, man. There's a poem that I heard. It was sounding absurd, but it was a poem that I liked. I like to recite it for you. That may be what I'll do. Oh, the sun went up and the sun went down, and the moon came out all dressed like a clown, and the stars all around it were seldom found without twinkling and dancing in the air. Thank you. Ha! Back again! I, Mr. Horrible, Awful Man, glad to be here in the waggling stage once more. Well, there's a thing that I like to do. It's to hide in the shadows and give people a start when I emerge from the shadows. I flash my pearly whites, and their sharp appearance makes people pause, and it gives them pause as I grasp my jaws. But I like to hide in the shadows and jump out and give people a start. Everybody needs a start in life, right? Man, that was crazy. That old shadow, that Mr. Horrible Waffle, man, he's something else. I'm just gonna go like, They're gonna bring me back twice. Well, okay, I can handle it. Well, there's a fence that I like to climb. There's a fence that I like to dance on top. Once I dance on top this fence, well, that's where my heart went, and I said, like to be climbing a fence. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed yourselves or something, and guess what? Guess what? Guess what?